Thank you for visiting. Do you like textures on your art clay silver like these works? No doubt. Yes, we all love textures. Many of you use texture sheet or mat for transferring patterns. In this video, I show you a bit different way. What I use here is combination of FlexiStamp and FlexiShape. FlexiStamp is Rubbermaid texture sheet that you can transfer pattern on a soft clay. FlexiShape is plastic templates that you can make outline in many different shapes. Plus, I use this blue mix silicone mold for making stamp head. Here's a simple process. Have a small ball of the blue mix mold which A and B putties just has been mixed at 50-50 ratio. Please note hardening of the mold starts in about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Press the mold on your picked texture and frame using FlexiStamp and FlexiShape. Make a stamp head with your finger. Poke a stick such as a toothpick into the mold as stamp handle. Leave it about 30 minutes, the mold will be cured, and the texture transferred very clearly like this. With a combination of FlexiStamp and FlexiShapes, you can make a reverse texture stamp in a consistent thickness at once easily. Cut any excess mold around the texture with a cutter blade. Okay. Now, impress the mold on a rolled art clay. Make sure apply a food or baby oil on the mold, and stamp it. As you can see, this time of stamp outline is diamond. If you stamp one next to each other, you can make a large diamond formation like this. By your choice of texture and template, your creation patterns will be unlimited. Enjoy and find your favorite combination in art clay creation. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.